So what different types of reinforcers do we use? And what strategies are most effective? We do find that parent-led strategies are most effective. Parent-led interventions are effective. Often parents obviously are with the child most of all, have the most influence on children and know their child and how they will respond the best. It's also very important that the reinforcers we use are tangible and or edible. A tangible reinforcer is a physical object that can be used to motivate individual behaviours and increase the frequency of the behaviour we want to happen. Also, being immediate in how we use reinforcement with tangible reinforcers. So this, for example, means giving the desired items immediately after the target behaviour has been done. This is very important as it really strengthens the link between the behaviour we're aiming to increase and the positive reinforcer. We can also use edible reinforcers. For example, consuming specific foods that the child is very motivated to eat can be very effective. These types of reinforcers are often used in conjunction with other types of reinforcement like praise. It is important, however, to sort of think about the type of reinforcement that your child will respond to. For example, there are some children who will prefer and respond better to some types of reinforcement than others. For example, some children may not respond to a praise and a low-key intervention or low-key response might be required. So reinforcers are very child-centred and depend on the individual child. Parent-led interventions are found to be the most effective. Parents' roles can be demonstrating the desired behaviour or eating the food and role play, and these can be used as part of a response prompt hierarchy described earlier. Positive reinforcement, as described above, led by parents, is very important. We also use differential reinforcement. This is choosing to reinforce and respond to the behaviours that you want to see more of and ignoring the behaviours we want to see less of. So an example of this is ignoring the problem behaviour. We call this differential reinforcement. It's also very important to create a positive mealtime environment where we reduce or eliminate demands. So this is about creating an environment around foods and meals which is low-key, which is not anxiety producing and is very gentle and low arousal. We've also talked about demand fading. So as the behaviours are established, we gradually reduce the reinforcements or go down the hierarchies before eventually removing the reinforcers.